29. Soured cream. The state of California has its own foreign aid program. About 3,300 foreign students are sent through California colleges and universities each year at the taxpayer's expense. The average minimum cost is $1,510 per student per year. These students are the elite, the cream of their countries, but most of them return home as soured cream and as a problem to their countries because of their radicalism. Recently, about 150 Iranian students went to Sacramento to create a major disturbance at a legislative hearing which proposed raising the tuition for out-of-state and foreign students. Surprised senators asked, "Why are you concerned? Your tuition is paid for." The answers were absurd. "My cousin may want to come at his expense." Basically, as Senator Bill Richardson pointed out, their position was that any foreigner has a right to an education in California. These Iranian students shouted, "Filthy capitalist pig," as the senators, called by the Liberal legislators fascists, and threatened that blood would flow on campuses if their demands were not met. They were not met. In fact, the demonstration helped speed the measure. These foreign students come from the privileged classes of their country. They receive the most considerate attention from Californians. Their thanks has been to damn us all as exploiters. If we have more than they do, it's a sign of evil on our part, and it belongs to them, therefore by right. We should not be surprised at this. Many of these foreign students are not Christian. They think in terms of different moral foundations than we do. We have brought them over on a moral premise, moreover, which is alien to Christianity, namely that dollars and education can save the world. Can we expect sound moral returns from this faith? The Shah of Iran is said to be disturbed at the way students return home changed. The senators and assemblymen of California have seen the sorry developments in these students. Isn't it about time we return to a Christian faith in our missionary program? The only successful foreign aid program the world has ever seen has been Christian missions.